Freshwater wetlands of India are rich repositories of biodiversity and are crucial for the livelihood and survival of millions of people. Unfortunately, these vital ecosystems are facing serious threats from developmental activities and deleterious changes in the catchment area, and they are disappearing from the landscape at an alarming rate. The root causes behind various problems related to natural resources identified in the impact area lies in the human institutions, in the inequities and erosion of local traditional decision making and conflict resolution systems, the futile laws and policies, malfunctioning good laws and erosion of value systems giving way to collapse of local decision making systems, centralized management of the natural resources, erosion of biodiversity and information deficit for local people, vanishing traditional tanks, degradation of rivers and erosion of biodiversity are three important effects of the soil erosion due to deforestation, encroachments, pollution, catchment destruction, groundwater exploitation, invasive alien species, habitat destruction and unsustainable agriculture. The problems of rivers arise due to the deleterious changes happen in the various components related to river like plants, birds, agriculture fields and so on. Due to deforestation, there is erosion causing siltation and the traditional pools of the rivers are destroyed. If we wish to save our river, it is essential to go beyond the river and must restore basin or catchment area. The cascading effects of this ecological meltdown is directly on the local communities, which depend on wetland resources for their subsistence. Due to these changes, there are arising group conflicts for resources, migration to cities for employment search, poverty, employment shift and farmers' suicide. The main goal of Samvardhan is to work for conservation of natural resources, to promote its sustainable use and equitable sharing of the benefits through people's participation and a holistic ecosystem approach. We are mandated to create such a society where development will be calculated by sustainability of surrounding natural wealth, where every species, every ecosystem and every diverse human groups will live together in harmony with nature, where the most neglected member of the society will have equal opportunity in decision making and in securing employment and resources. Spreading awareness and rapport building with local people is prerequisite for effective impact. We have engaged students, farmers and laborers in the process of positive change. In this regard, we have arranged various workshops, rallies, river march, river summits and labor summits and farmers summit. It is essential to rejuvenate local decision making and conflict resolution mechanisms. For this, we have concentrated our attention on the capacity building and involvement of Gram Sabha, village council and local study groups. We are establishing Mazdoor Sangh, which is labor organizations, Nadi Abhyas Ghat, river study groups, Nadi Saurakshan Samiti, river protection committee and farmers clubs in many villages. We have started our work considering species level conservation effort limited to wetlands and fishes. Later on, we have focused on ecosystem level conservation efforts, included different kinds of ecosystem. Depletion of the local species of the fishes is the matter of concern. In this regard, we have to conserve our natural resources so that local fish population will flourish. At the same time, we have to search for the alternate occupation for the fishermen, who are the direct victims of such negative changes. Since 2007, we have started cooperative fish culture activities along with eco-restoration with the anglers of Adan River Basin. Fish culture cannot be a complete solution for livelihood of fishermen because substantially large population of the fishermen still depends on natural watercourses for their subsistence. Therefore, it is essential to improve health of our wetland resources. On small scale, this improvement is possible by creating series of freshwater protected areas. We have started the process of creation of such freshwater protected areas along Adan and Bemla rivers. considering importance of the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005 of Government of India in eco-restoration and employment generation. We have started eco-restoration work with the labours of the Dhamni village. Soon many villages joined, and in whole Adan, Arunavati, Uma and Bimla river basin massive watershed development work initiated. Information for all. Considering importance of the information generation for proper planning of the natural resources, we have started data collection on village and basin level. Every river is dotted with various villages. We have started participatory studies of geographical area of villages. Such studies are becoming useful in local natural resource planning. Agriculture area is predominant in all the river basins of this area. High input unsustainable agriculture and irrigation deficit is the matter of grave concern. The depleting water and natural resources negatively impacting on the farmers and agriculture fields. We are uniting farmers of the area and finding out solutions to ameliorate the situation.